Hey everybody, thank you for joining us today on our happy hour. Super excited, of course. The holidays are like my favorite, and I have some fun drinks to share with you. Two martinis, holiday-inspired martinis today. So anyways, want to say thank you to everybody on YouTube and Instagram and everybody out there. Thank you for joining us today. Anyways, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful weekend, as I am. The weather has been amazing. A little chilly, but amazing. It hasn't been all dumping rain on us lately, so that's perfect. But go ahead and type in the comments there that you can hear me and see me just fine, and we'll jump right into these cocktails. The first martini today is a Sugar Cookie inspired martini. Actually, before we jump into that, real quick, these recipes we pulled from Three Yummy Tummies. Three Yummy Tummies is where we found these recipes today. Of course, we're going to share the link and everything like that so you can get the recipes if you're not going through and writing them down. So, anyways, thank you to Three Yummy Tummies for coming up with some awesome recipes that we get to share with you guys today on our happy hour. But the first one is going to be a Sugar Cookie Martini. If you know anything about me, sugar cookies are one of my absolute favorite cookies. They're fluffy, they're sugary, they're sweet, they have sprinkles. I love sprinkles. So, I mean, what more do I need to say? But anyways, let's go ahead. You'll grab your shaker cup there, and we're going to start off with 1.5 ounce of vanilla vodka. Oh, are you grabbing some ice?
I am.
Perfect, thank you. So we're going to do 1.5 ounce of vanilla vodka here. There we go. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of Bailey's, or this is Dugan's, basically an Irish cream, okay? So an Irish cream liqueur. I'm going to do 1.5 ounces here. Awesome. I feel like Bailey's is an absolute must during the holidays, you know? Next, we're going to toss in 3/4 ounce of Amaretto. And we're using the Tresanti Amaretto.
That one's so good.
It is super, super yummy. All right, 3/4 ounce. And this calls for a little bit of powdered sugar, and that kind of gives it that creamy, I don't know, how do you say it? That creamy fluffiness that you get from the frosting on sugar cookies. It's really interesting. When you make this at home, you'll know exactly what I mean. So we're going to do 1 teaspoon of confectioner sugar, powdered sugar, okay? And 1.5 ounce of cream. Half and half, milk, whatever. We have a little bit of heavy whipping cream. We're improvising because we had some of this left, and you definitely don't want to let that go bad because you'll know.
What are you going to do to the rim of the glass?
Perfect. Well, I'm going to do some sprinkles on it. There we are. All right, let's go ahead and add in some ice and get this baby shaken. Okay. Perfect. One more, just for good measure. Bruce is over here looking at this because he can hear the ice, and that little dude, he loves ice cubes. All right, let's go ahead, give this a nice vigorous shake. Want to make sure that sugar gets nice and stirred around in there. There we go, perfect. All right, so what I'm going to do with the glass here is I have some sweet cream, and you can use coffee creamer. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put that on the rim of the glass. And this is what we're going to use for the sprinkles. So I have some awesome holiday sprinkles here, red and green. And we're just going to tap that in. Dun, 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 dun. You know what I think I like the most? Not the most about the holidays, but one of the things that I love about the holidays? The Hallmark Channel. Oh my God.
Hallmark Channel's the best.
Hallmark Channel, it just cracks me up every single time. It's just like perfect. Wow, look at this. Look at that, you guys. How awesome is this? And there's all sorts of, you know, fun sprinkles and stuff, of course, you can put on this. All right, so let's go ahead. Strain this out into here. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Yes! I'm so excited. Because I love sugar cookies, and I love martinis, and I love Christmas. And everything about this going on in this drink right now. Look at that.
I'm going to take this.
Look how amazing that is. Thank you so much, sweetie. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so sweet. I love the sweet cream on the rim. Yes. That is awesome. I'm going to have like 6 of these today. I'm not even kidding. This is everything I love about everything in a glass. Yes. So good. You could totally take this and blend it up in your blender and make a frappuccino kind of out of it. Oh my God, this is so good. I'm going to have one of these to start my day every day next week. Swear to God. So good. All right. I know, right? Never gets old.
That's delicious.
The next one. Oh, you have got to try that. Oh, that is so yummy.
Does it taste like a sugar cookie to you? Like an adult sugar cookie?
It does have kind of the, I don't know, the familiarity of a sugar cookie. It is so good. It's sweet, it's smooth, it's creamy. It's got the powdered sugar in there, which gives it like this kind of weird fluffiness to it. It's awesome. And then the sprinkles, I love sprinkles, so of course I love that. But it is so yummy. If you like anything about life, you're gonna love this. You know what? And I don't necessarily, I wouldn't necessarily say that is a drink that you would only have during the holidays. I mean, you'd have that cocktail anytime you want one. All right, so let's go ahead, jump into the Candy Cane Martini. Very excited about this. All right, let me move those ones out of the way. Let's make way for this white chocolate liqueur. This is the Shilin brand, and
they're special because they're a wine-based wine.
Oh my. Yeah, what she said. This is so good. All right, here we are. I'm gonna grab my little glass. Oh, there's sprinkles all over the inside of this thing. Where's my other one at? Oh, there it is. Thank you. All right, so we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of the chocolate liqueur, white chocolate liqueur. I just want to drink this as is. Just
you could
pour it straight in my mouth and on my body.
Whoa.
Whoa. This is not a show for children. The vanilla vodka is next. We're going to do 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. So we have 2 ounces of the white chocolate liqueur, 1 ounce of the vanilla vodka. We're going to do 1 ounce of cream. There we are. And 1/2 ounce of peppermint schnapps. Ooh, that's kind of tight. think I need to get
Superman.
I know. Oh, wait! Don't call me out like that. There we are. That sugar dried on there. Okay. So we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of the Peppermint Schnapps. All right. Just like we did before, we're going to add in some ice. Give this baby a shake. Garnish that beautiful glass. And enjoy.
The whipped cream on top.
Oh, yeah, we're doing the whipped cream on top of this one. I think I just want to put sprinkles on everything.
I'm pretty sure that's what it
That
is.
is exactly what it is. I go to the coffee shop. They're like, is there anything else you'd like? Yeah, do you have sprinkles? Can you please put that on top of my Frappuccino? There we go. Shake vigorously. That's as the directions say from 3 Yummy Tummies. What a name.
They did a good job with this.
Right? They really did. Hey, they did a great enough job that here we are today sharing them. You know what I mean? All right. Ooh, it smells so good with the peppermint schnapps. So good. So we're gonna go ahead and strain this directly into the martini glass here, and then we're gonna garnish it with the whipped cream, and you could. I'm gonna do some sprinkles. I don't care what it is. And we have a little baby candy cane here, just the cutest little candy cane. I don't care what anybody says. You know I'm doing sprinkles on there. So white chocolate peppermint mochas are my absolute favorite mochas. So I know exactly what's about to go down right now. This might take it for my favorite martini. I'm just saying. It might. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Oh! I broke it. All right, I'm going to be a little bit more careful on this one. There we are. Whoa! Whoa! Yes. And we have our candy cane in.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
Yeah, baby. Oh,
Oh, that's beautiful.
game over.
Let's see. Let's have a closer look.
Look at
Can you
that.
angle it a little bit? There you are. Beautiful.
Isn't that awesome?
Yes.
Would you like to do the honors?
I think you should.
Of course I should. Oh, yes. Ooh, oh, man.
3 Yummy Tummies really did. They knocked it out of the ballpark, huh?
Really? Really? Oh, my gosh. This is so good. This is like an espresso shot away from my favorite mocha. 'Cause I will get a peppermint mocha year round. I don't even care. Judge me if you want. This is so it. It's over. It's over. Cut the live feed. It's about to go down. Anyways, these 2 martinis today, amazing. 3 Yummy Tummies.
Oh my gosh,
You,
wow.
you killed it with the recipes. I'm so glad that we found these and we're able to share them with you guys. And I really, really hope that you find time this coming week and during the holidays to make these, because they are that good. And I have no doubt that if you make one of these, you will probably make it again later, in the year, because it's just that good. Just put different colored sprinkles on it or whatever. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining us today. These cocktails are awesome. I'm so happy with how they've turned out and that we could share this with you. Please hit the like, hit the subscribe, all the fun stuff, and share the happy hour love with your friends, your family, and just people in general who like cocktails. And we will see you next Sunday, 3:30 Pacific time, for another happy hour and to share some more holiday cocktails with you. All right, thank you guys so much.